Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Under Armour, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase passive income with Under Armour, start by researching their brand and product offerings. Understand the market demand for athletic apparel and accessories. Identify your target audience interested in fitness and sports. Consider creating a niche website or blog focused on health and fitness. Incorporate Under Armour products into your content through affiliate marketing. Sign up for the Under Armour affiliate program on their website. Promote their products through engaging reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. Share personal experiences using Under Armour gear to build trust with your audience. Utilize social media platforms to broaden your reach and showcase Under Armour merchandise. Create high-quality, valuable content that ranks well on search engines. Consider producing video content featuring Under Armour products and your personal insights. Leverage email marketing to share exclusive content and offers related to Under Armour products. Explore creating an online store using dropshipping for Under Armour items. Stay updated on new releases and trends from Under Armour to maintain content relevance. Network with fitness influencers to expand your reach and credibility. Monitor your analytics to understand which products are generating the most interest. Continuously optimize your marketing strategies based on performance data. Consider additional revenue streams like sponsorships or partnerships with Under Armour. Stay committed to providing valuable information to your audience. Cultivate a loyal community around fitness and the Under Armour brand for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.